Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I greatly appreciate that. So did not raise the racks today. We did not get the right tools, parts, and the wrench to raise that up. So hopefully we'll get that tomorrow. Start working on that with a bunch of guys. So we ended up just finishing out the rest of the pipe here on the corner, going down to the boxes down there and to the other hole, which I'll show you in a second. But as you can see, we are in a giant swamp. It's like, I don't know, at least half an inch deep, maybe an inch, so swamp life. So that sucks. So have to dry my boots basically every night because they get really wet. So got some water seeping in through the cracks there or over the top by the shoelaces. Anyways, worked on this, so I will show you that. So didn't seem to get as much done as yesterday, but also helping other coworkers and stuff. So I think we started off with, I don't know if it was just a 2-inch if we only got these 5 pipes done, but we had to keep adjusting some of these, trying to get this as close as possible to avoid some of these plumbing pipes. So we had to take it down a few times. Once we got everything screwed down, we had to take it down and cut it a couple times to get it just right. And then threw up this rack right here, and then threw up that rack, that last rack down there. So I will show you that. So I got everything strapped down and going pretty much straight. And then the other co-workers worked on cutting these holes right here. So those are ready to go now. And then these ones still need to be cut. So I got that pretty close down here, as you can see. Just have to cut the final pieces right here going into the boxes, cut the holes, and then this 2-inch pipe right here is going up through that red hole right there, through the ceiling with the LB, like I said yesterday. So just getting everything ready. So probably just gonna make the final cuts here tomorrow, which will probably be ugly. So these will probably be all different lengths or whatever. And then we'll probably just take these pipes back here at this last coupling and take off these straps, loosen it, stick the pipes on, because there's no room to really stick that pipe in because of the boxes in the way. It's pretty much gonna have to take off these 2 straps anyways. So probably just take the whole pipe out, stick it together, and then slide it back in there. And then we're just gonna cut them like 3 inches short, and then just slide it over in the coupling like an inch on each side in the connector. So they'll all be lined up right here ready to go, a little gap out, and then it'll just push them in once we get them all ready to go and raise the rack up. So the rack is moving up like 8 or 10 inches. As you can see the difference right here. So it's going from there up to there into the hole. So have to raise up a bunch of these racks, and that should just about do it. Some guy's about to come up here with a forklift, so I'll probably get out of his way and end the video, but that about wraps it up. And we'll see what we get done tomorrow. Hopefully we can get the ratchet, get all these racks raised up and just ready to go in and get all these pipes set in there, and maybe even these ones as well. So high hopes for tomorrow. Granted, we get the ratchet. If not, we'll be doing it by hand. And then maybe hopefully we get the LB. I haven't seen that yet, and then that should do it. So see you guys back here tomorrow, and hopefully we will get some new screwdrivers, because all of our screwdrivers seem to be broken or missing. So probably get like 4 or 5 of the beater screwdrivers, so that'll be exciting. Hyped about that. See you guys back here tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. As always, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, like it. I'd appreciate it. Help the channel out and subscribe. See you guys back here tomorrow. Check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams. Thanks so much, guys. God bless. See you tomorrow. Peace.